So in this video, we're going to go from this to this using this. Okay, so this will be a quick installation and how-to video. This particular saw is a Ryobi 10-inch, just kind of the base table saw that you can get at your big orange box store. The blade that comes with it, table's unplugged already, by the way. The blade that comes with it here, just kind of your standard general purpose ripping blade, and does a good job for rip cuts. However, at the end of the rip cut, you'll get some tear out here. This was actually cut with a different saw, but the same blade. So that was with my miter saw, and I've got a video on how to replace that blade on there as well. But anyway, to keep it from doing that and get a smoother cut, purchase a good finishing blade, which I've got this Makita on another saw, and also I have a Diablo blade for my smaller circular saw. So anyway, I'm going to replace this real quick and just kind of show you how to do it. So replacing the blade is pretty simple if you still have the original tools. If not, you'll need to stop the blade somehow, maybe put a screwdriver into one of these slots. However, you're probably still going to have the arbor turn. So you're going to need a spanner that will fit that. So, without much further ado, again, I've already unplugged the saw. I'll go ahead and flip this up, down out of the way. So just flip this out of the way. Right here. Note the rotation of the saw comes down like this, and you want to put your new blade on the same way. There we go, got that on there. Once you broke the nut loose, it's pretty simple to get it on out of there. Okay, now it's just got to come up and over that guard down there, just like so. And you can see this one right here, just a general usage blade. So it works pretty good, but if you're doing any kind of finish work, probably don't want that one. So note the rotation of the blade. It in. And due to the rotation of this blade, these are just regular standard right hand threads. Tying it down, be careful not to slip and hit the blade, because that would hurt large. One nice thing with these kind of blades also is they have a thinner kerf gap that's cut out, so they're a little more precise as well. Make sure you get it good and tight. And of course, flip this back down. Reinstall all your guards. Preferably the right way. There we go. Now we're ready to cut. There you go. Nice, smooth, clean cut. And right there you can see a previous cut. Not so much. So anyway, well worth the investment. Grab a finished saw blade. Thank you for watching.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.